Hello everyone, good morning. It's been a while since I came online, so let's do a quick reading for today. As per numerology and tarot is concerned, so I have these oracle cards, like beautiful cards from College Brain Red, and these are the cards which I normally use to tell you. And obviously, I'll be combining the crystal angel cards. I'll be combining with them with other cards also, like how the session goes. So with this 11th of May 2020, so we have a number 2 which is prevalent. 2 is mother, 2 is your emotions, 2 is your mind, 2 is your depression, 2 is your happiness, 2 is what you choose. So what an interesting point of view. What are we choosing today which will bring in happiness and motherly affection to us? Yesterday it was Mother's Day. It was International Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to everybody and every mothers around the world. So with this, let's start. Well, let's start with what energy are we bringing in today? What else is possible? How interesting the life can be? What are we choosing today to make us happy? So let's take out what are we choosing from the spirit to make us happy. So with this, the card for today is the anchor card for today is why. You know what? The cards are saying, why are you online? Why are you asking this question? Why are you asking this question? The card number is 31, which is 3 and 1, which will Jupiter and Sun, which basically tells you, why are you asking this question? Why are you not answering to me? Go in the comment section, ask your questions right now. Okay, with this why, let's say with number 4, which is your Rahu. With Rahu energy, let's take out the card, which is the kind of defining card for the anchor card, which is by the book. By the book, by the book. Look at the elephants. Okay, elephants are signifying Jupiter. They are a big heavy planet, Jupiter, which is make the world COVID 2019 free. So it's basically tells that by the book, which is double one, which is a compound number. Compound number says that double one basically says 2 sons. Basically the person will be very psychic. The person will have double one, which is number 2. As we told, today is 11th of May, which is double one. So by the book, go by the book, go by the book means follow the tribe, follow the elephants, follow the people whom you like following. Okay. So with this, let's take out another card. What is holding us back today? What is holding us back today? What is that is not showing up? Let's just try and create a right and wrong, good and pocket code online shows, boys and beyonds. Time to go. Time to go is 4 and 5, which is number 9. Number of completion 45 is from 4 to 5, which is your Budh, which is your Mercury. So it's time to go towards happiness, trying to open the doors. What else is possible? What is stopping us from opening this door of happiness for everybody around? So let's see what else is possible. What else is possible? What else is possible? Bring that energy back to us. Oh, here you go. Mending is needed. Maybe you need to work on your relationships today. Relationship which are not getting healed. 5 and 2 is number 7. 2 is again bringing up with money. So you need to work on your money, but money will be worked for your emotions, for your family and all. So mend with your soul, mend with your own self. So basically it says that mending with the angels. So if we talk about the angel prayers, what angels are bringing us to us, which you are not able to see it right now. Everything is in cloud. This is trying to right to know good and bad, broken water, online shots, boys and girls. Let's take out a final card for today. So let's see what up. One card came up, which is called Loyal Heart. How wonderful that can be. It is 3 and 5, which is number 8, which is 3 is basically 5. Again, we are getting 5, 2, 3. Jupiter, 5 is Mercury, 3 plus 5 is number 8, which is your Saturn. Saturn brings in a lot of judgments in your life. So stay tuned for more judgments. Let me take out a brief more details of the 35 card. Okay. So card number 35, which is basically Loyal Heart. So let's see what it says. Okay, if I... relationship messages. Are you wondering, how did I get here again? Are you wondering how this situation came up again? Why this repetitive pattern is being repeated in your life? What else do you want to learn from this repetitive pattern which you are not able to do? So it is, how did I get here again? Does something feels familiar right now? in your dynamics with others. Okay, 3-5, are we asking the questions from the universe? Is there something which is familiar, which I'm not able to see right now? Maybe a little too familiar. So now let's bring it back to the universe, that what does it come up, what it is, what energy is it coming up from me. Oh, I just love the sun from behind, you know. So what energy does it come up with? What else is possible? What feelings am I getting when I'm thinking about the question? Let me repeat the question. How did I get here? Again, does something feel familiar right now in your dynamics with others? Maybe a little too familiar. If the answer is less, let's just try and uncreate it. Say yes. Let's just try and uncreate it. Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pod, online shots, boys and beyonds. Okay. So what I'm doing today, I'm combining tarot with numerology with access bars. What are access bars? Go to YouTube, search for Dr. Dean here or Gary Douglas, access bars consciousness. You'll understand what exactly it is. Okay. Maybe it's too familiar. Don't be surprised that you have found yourself repeating an old story with the same sort of person. You may not look familiar or similar, but you're too attracted to because you have easy acquaintance with his or her qualities. So maybe you are choosing mending with the same person, with the same situation, but you are not learning. What else is possible? Everything is doing now. This is Ryan and created right and wrong, good and bad, spoken word, online shots, boys and beyonds. Go and watch Access Bars Consciousness. I am combining the 3 stories today, which is basically your numerology, which is your tarot, which is your access bars. Go and heal yourself. If you don't want to, it's your choice. But what wrong choice am I choosing today? Is that correct for me? If answer is no, let's just try and create it right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pot, boys and beyonds. Maybe I'm talking like very fast. So you can join my online course on tarot numerology and combined with access bars and with what else is possible. With all the stuff which I do, the readings for different kind of people, different set of people, be it relationship, health, be your issues, whatever, money consciousness, or maybe your poverty consciousness I'm working on. So just join that class if you want. I will share my number at the end of this session. Okay, so it's about mending. So your relationship is a mix of what is good and what is potentially challenging. You have been drawn to this person through the protection or perfection of this plan for your evolution. You have circled back to an accustomed spot, a familiar place, but that is fine. You get to do things again, only differently this time. If you are stuck, you are fighting with the same person again. Think about it, that you need to do things differently. Otherwise, the results will come same, only differently this time. For you learned something of a great value since the last time around. How will you choose to behave now that you are aware? Now you are aware about your relationship issues. You are aware about your health issues, about your maybe your money issues. How differently will you behave? If the answer is you don't know, answer could be what energy are you coming up with? Let's just try and uncreate it. Say yes with me. Let's just try and uncreate it. Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pot, online shots, boys and beyonds. This is all about mending. You know, one card can change your life. One information can change your life. It is about you. It's how you work with that card. Okay, so that's important. If you want to come, want to learn with me, I'm starting a workshop today at 7:30 p.m. It's about numerology, tarot, aura reading, about access bars in different areas. I learned like around 15-20 different skills from last 17 years, and this is time when I'm passing it on to you, to the society, so that you also understand that you are not the one who were born with. If I'm born today, what else am I choosing today? What will I choose if I'm born today? If the answer is I don't know, then throw it back to the universe saying what that is. Let's just try and uncreate it. Right and wrong, good and bad, pocket pot, online shots, boys and beyonds. Okay? With that, the prosperity message which everybody is looking for. If you're in a scenario which appears to be echo of something that already happened in the past or work life, is because you're being invited to see what you couldn't see before. So this is a perfect time for you to look at the deeper motives you have and your attractions of the opportunity of people you have entered in your life. Who helps you navigate? Who sabotages you? Who supports you? Let's just try and uncreate it. Right and wrong, good and bad, broken border and shirts, boys and beyonds. So, you know what are familiar signs, your responses to them? There could be some signs which are coming up to you and you have a familiar responses to them. Change them right now. With that, you when you find yourself in a repeat pattern of the past, change it right now. What does it feel like? Are you feeling heavy or light? If I want to change, what change is needed? Am I feeling light or am I feeling very really heavy? Then Let's see what that is. Let's throw it back to the universe right now. I'm saying that all of life comes to me with ease and joy and glory. What else is possible? Everything that has come up. Let's destroy and create a right and wrong, good and bad, talking about online shows, boys and beyonds. So this is what the mending card tells about us. Essential meanings. Let's see. The spirit spiral. Okay, so this is something very interesting. So, so this is like mending his card number 35. It's like spiral, 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 and you know what? You'll be surprised that we were talking about the spiral thing. So let's talk about the mending part, which is card number 35. Okay, sorry, I got a call. So it's 35, which essential meaning is loyalty and devotion. So Oracle, evidence of loyalty will appear in your life. You know what? We are always searching for loyal people. Are we loyal to them? No. If it is no, let's destroy and create a right and wrong, and talking about unnatural boys and yours. Others will prove they are hateful to you, and you will in turn commit fully to them. There's a sure and abiding certainty in your heart. Know that spirit has always loyal to you. Our spirit has always been loyal to us. Why? You don't know the answer. Throw it back to the universe right now. Let's destroy and create it right and wrong, good and bad, talking about online shows, boys and beyond. Matter. No matter the outer circumstances, you trust and have faith. You are eternally loved, always divinely protected and divinely directed. Let's talk about relationship messages, guys. Your partnership, friendship, and romantic relationship all will have many qualities in common right now. Honest devotion, faithfulness, and loyal heart are being shown to you. Are you loyal in return? Answer: heavy or light. If it is heavy, let's destroy and create a right and wrong, good and bad, broken word, wise and now is the time for the heartful commitments and trusting in divine protection. What else is possible? Everything that is in love, destroy and create a right and wrong, good and bad, broken word, boys and girls. So these were the cards. So let's talk about what the crystals are helping us about. It's about number 2. It's about motherly energy. Let's see what the Dorian virtuous crystals are telling us about. So it's okay. This card comes up. Look at that, how beautiful the card can be. It's related to the money, it's related to prosperity, it's related to gold. So it's RADHEKRISHN, which is be gentle with yourself. If you're not being gentle with yourself, what else is possible? Look at it. And destroy and create it right now. Everything that's in love, destroy and create it right now. Okay? What is right and wrong, good and bad, talking about online shows, boys and beyonds. So with this, be gentle. You have been through a plan and need time to heal and recover. Guys, stay at home. Heal yourself. Recover. This is a recovering process. This is a recovering process where it's really bad. People keep on calling me instead of joining me live. I'm so sorry for that. The card came is appetite, which is progress, not perfection. How wonderful that can be. We always try to be perfect, but nothing is perfect, is it? What comes up to you right now? Heavy or light? Heavy, so much heavy energy. So let's just try and create a right and wrong, good and bad, puck and put online shirts, boys and beyonds. So with this progress, don't compare yourself to others because everybody has unique things. Or judge yourself. Instead, focus upon how far you have come and that you have learned. Focus on कितनी दूर आप आए हैं. Focus on कि कितनी यात्रा आपने complete करी है. Focus on कि आपके अंदर changes कितने आए हैं. Focus on आपके अंदर positivity कितनी आई है. आप कितने खुश हैं. Okay, focus on कि आप कौन सी चीज़ों को change कर पा रहे हैं. Focus on the progress you have made. Do not compare yourself with others. Comparison always creates heaviness. Jealousy always creates heaviness. It's only the love energy which creates. It's only the mother energy creates, which only creates. Creation is mother. Mother is creation. Earth is creation. Earth is the base. We should always be like earth. We should always behave. We should always be peaceful. We should always be helpful. It's about your faith, which is giving out in the world. Okay, it's in this corona world. You need to understand. It's your karuna that will work against corona. It's not your anger that will work against corona. So, focus on how far you have come and all that you have learned. That is very, very important. Your learning process is important. Let's take out the final card for today, guys. Okay, before I wrap up, the last card for today. What the universe is trying to tell all of us, the people who are watching right now as well as the people who will watch later. Here you go. Okay, it's fluorite, which is natural beauty and authenticity. Be yourself as a God made you naturally attractive, lovable and inside and out. Do not go with the outer beauty, go with the inner beauty. It's about how lovable, how attractive you are. Just thrash that energy out from your soul and people will love you. And don't be judgmental. It's not about loving, it's about being noticed. Do not get noticed, okay? It's about something which is coming from inside. A flower never goes out and says that I'm rose, please smell me. It's about is that flower beauty which spreads around. So it's about inner beauty, it's inner timing, it's healing yourself, it's being at home. It's basically means being gentle with yourself, basically means progress, not comparison. So it basically means mending. It basically means don't go, come out of the whirlpool. It means time to go. Time to go means time to let go. By the book. Do not write as per the book wants you to. Write your own story. Write your own book. Write your own success story. Our answer is why. Why are you asking these questions? Go back to the universe. Ask. Why am I asking this question? Why am I asking this question? Am I comparing myself with others? Am I love or am I hate? If the heaviness is there, if your hate, bring it up right now. The jealousy, bring it right now. Anger, bring it right now. All the negative emotions, bring it right now. All the 5 vikars which we talk about, like it's calm, crodh, lobh, moh, ahankar and all, bring it right now. Let's destroy and create it right now. Good at my pocket, put on my shirt. Boys and beyonds. With this, let me wrap up this session on 11th of May 2020, and with this, you be happy, be safe, stay at home. Let's fight with COVID 2019 with the full love and dedication and karuna. And with this, let me share my number with you guys. If you want to join my session tonight at 7:30 p.m., do send me a WhatsApp message. Do not call me, please. Send me WhatsApp message only, okay? So if you want to join my session, or else if you want to join my Radha Natyam, which is a dance performance for COVID 2019, where TV artists will be the judges, where we are collaborating with Shamak Dawar's Academy to select you guys. So with that, what else is possible? How Shamak Dawar can be there in our troupe? How TV artists, just like the who played the Duryodhan in Mahabharata, new Mahabharata, how the script Kapoor Suri, if you go and search for him on the YouTube or on Google, you'll find him with his wife who played as a contestant in Miss India, and she was a judge in Miss India, and right now she is blessed with a baby girl, and how wonderful the life can be. So with this, either you want to enroll for my tarot, oracle, and numerology and access badge class, which are combined and accumulated in one. It's just a 55,000 course which I'm providing in 11,000, which you can always be in. Let's walk on this path for 11 days. If you want to register, please WhatsApp me on 7011560905. I'm pinning this content. Or else, if you want to dance, if you want to sing, then there's Radha Natyam coming up in association with Shamak Dawar Institute, in association with a lot of TV artists like be it Sudha Chandran, be it Amrita Rao, be it people from different fraternities who want to walk in COVID 2019 health. If you want to be part of this change, everything that is allowed. This is trying and created right now. Good and pocket shots, boys and beyonds. Thank you so much for watching in. Stay tuned, stay blessed, stay hot at home. And you know what? Sharing is caring. You want to share? You want to share? Come. Thank you.